Hi guys, it's Ray. I just want to unbox my Resin and More subscription box for March quick. It just arrived, so I'm going to open this up and see what we got. This is just a standard box. That's all they offered for March, so so this should be a normal what they do box. Knocking stuff over. It says help our small business grow. Snap, share, tag, Resin and More boxes. This one does say March. So it says we have stuff from KS Resin, Woody's Goodies alcohol ink, perfect timing on that, Funshine Color Shop mica, and the back says ways to make messy tile. So I guess we're making coasters. This is, I think, a mini mister for alcohol. You've seen me use these before. I have lots of them. They come in handy. My card with my code. Here are some Funshine Color Shop. I believe it said they were micas. I have Sparkling Pure White, Sparkling Sapphire, and Sparkle Black. Those will be fun to work with together. This is a ceramic tile. Probably a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. These look like the ones that come from Lowe's. They have a little bit of a color on the side. So, and here's another one. Oh, looks like we have 3 of them in here. Interesting. They did say this box was going to be a little different, and I am seeing how. And a little sample of the KS resin, 50 milliliters of each. So I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm excited about that. And this is kind of messy. Some medicine cups, some little spoons to scoop out micas and whatnot. A little bit of glitter. I don't know whose or what. It's like a rose gold, chunky, holographic. A couple starbursts. I have no idea what this is. It's a hot mess of a package, though. Oh, you know what? I bet you it's foil sheets in the middle here, judging by what's on the outside. Yep. Okay. It's just cardboard protecting it. I'm kind of afraid to open it up. But this is actual foil sheets versus the flakes. So, put those aside. And this. This is alcohol inks that are a hot mess and I don't want to handle without gloves on. So I can't even tell you what colors they are because they leaked quite a bit, but they're still full. So, but it's Woody's Goodies, or Woods Goodies, Woody's Goodies. Leprechaun Mimosa. I can't read the pink one through the bag, and I can't read the blue one through the bag, but I always like to try new inks, so I'm excited about that. So they did say this box would be different. There are no molds in here. I don't know if they specifically said there would be no molds, but yeah, This is what came in this one. You've seen me do tiles before. I'll do something with these and stuff from this box at some point here. Yeah, I'll do some dirty pours on them because I don't think I've done a video for dirty pour tile yet. The KS resin, the spritzer, and however many sheets of flakes this is, or foils this is. I think there's 3 or 4, but I can't really tell. They're so delicate, I don't want to mess them up. But it looks like there's a black, couple of coppers, and a couple of pinks. So I'll get into them further at some point, but I'm just going to set them back on top like that for now. But that is it for my March box. I do have the April box ordered. That one's a premium box again. But I think after the April box, I am going to be done for a while. So if you want to check them out, it is Resin and More. It's a subscription service, but you don't have to do a long-term subscription. You can order monthly, or you can do like 3 months at a time. So that's it.